Hey everyone! So you have already got or are planning to get a Pizza Hut e-voucher? Let me show you how to use this voucher. Hi, I'm Stella, your host for the day. Keep on watching the video and follow these steps. Use the Store Locator to locate the nearest outlet that accepts the gift voucher. Enter the city name and click on Search. Now you will be able to see all the outlet details. After checking the store list, visit the nearest Pizza Hut outlet. Order food and enjoy your meal. Provide the gift voucher to the cashier at the time of billing and pay the remaining amount by cash or card if any. That's not all. Multiple gift vouchers can be used in one bill. One gift voucher cannot be used multiple times. Gift vouchers are accepted at all listed outlets. Gift vouchers cannot be used online. You may also give these vouchers to your friends and family members as they are easily transferable via SMS and email. Hope you liked the video.